Welcome everyone to another video. On today's episode, we are going to analyze a very odd situation, a very specific situation that came to my mind these days, and I cannot stop thinking about it. So, um, look at this bird. Yes, um, and the bird is using the jetpack, but why would a bird use a jetpack? Because birds are famous for using their wings to fly. There are exceptions of a few birds, for example, penguins, ostriches, roosters. These animals have wings, but they don't fly. They just maybe glide for a few meters, unless you're playing Zelda, and then if you attack a chicken, it will call the other chicken gang, and then it will attack you flying, etc. They'll do everything to reach you. But we are talking about birds that fly, so why would a bird use a jetpack, guys? Why would a bird need a jetpack if it can fly already? What could the bird be trying to achieve with the jetpack? The bird has its wings. Is the jetpack a symbol of something that the bird is missing? Or could the jetpack represent human influence on the bird? Could the jetpack be the influence of humans on nature? Anyway, let's move on. So for this, I have made here situational sentences and timelines and some sentences. Grammatically, we are going to analyze this. Let the philosophers do this analysis. We're not doing it. I mean, we could do. We're just beginning the channel. But for today's video, we are going to analyze grammatically why is the bird wearing a jetpack. So is the bird wearing a jetpack? Yes, it is. This is a yes or no question. It's a question that you answer with yes or no. Is your name Raphael? Is your name Mary? Yes, it is. No, it isn't. Are you Brazilian? Are you American? We've kind of made this discussion a little bit in our verb to be videos. And why is it wearing a jetpack? Why is the bird wearing a jetpack? Because it wants to fly a little bit farther. Remember, for physical distances, you use farther. Further is a metaphor. So the bird maybe gets tired from flying. He turns on the jetpack and then keeps, I don't know, flying for a few thousand kilometers to help its migration or whatever. Hey, we have here some answer for this. Maybe the bird wants the jetpack to fly a little bit farther when its wings fails. So, we have our sentences here. Is the bird wearing a jetpack? Yes, it is. Why is it wearing a jetpack? Because it wants to fly a little bit farther. So the sentence is in the present. True or false, guys? I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to answer. It's true. So the sentence is in the present. You can see now here. At this moment. In the moment we're talking, the bird is wearing a jetpack. It's a routine. 5 seconds. No, it's not a routine. It's false. So, It's happening at this moment. So it begins and it will end sometime. But at this moment, the bird is using the jetpack. Is it a temporary activity? We already answered the question. Yes, it is. It's true. So at this moment, it's the bird is wearing a jetpack. All right. So this is another use of verb to be. You use them to make sentences in the present, to make temporary activities in the present. So I am not wearing a jetpack, I'm wearing a cap. Okay? Negative sentences, affirmative sentences. I am doing 2 more videos. So at this moment of me speaking with you, I am not doing literally the video. At this moment when you are watching this video, I am preparing another video already. So in the moment of speaking, it's like book. I'm reading a book now. This moment I'm not reading a book. I'm talking to you through a video. And when this happens, you also use this structure. And this structure is called present continuous, all right? Sentences in the present that are temporary. This is not the only use. This is the initial use of the verb to be, okay? I mean, present continuous. There are other uses for it we might discuss in another video. But let's take baby steps. Then, if the snowball gets bigger, we'll make this present continuous for advanced levels. So, the cat is sleeping on the sofa. Cats sleep 18 hours a day, so most likely cats are sleeping. So the monkeys, I'm gonna give you some time to complete the sentences. You can pause the video, complete in your home right now. Now I'm going to correct the sentences. The monkeys are playing in the trees. A bird is singing near my window. The dog is not barking right now. Thank God. Finally, we have some tranquility in my neighborhood. The turtles are not moving quickly unless it is a ninja turtle. If it's a ninja turtle, it moves quickly. The lion is not hunting at the moment. What? What the hell is going on? Moving. The dog, the lion is not hunting at the moment. What about questions? You just invert the verb to be and subject. Capital letter to begin sentences. Is the horse drinking water? Are the bees making honey? What's happening to this? It's not making any sense whatsoever. Huh? Anyway. Is the dolphin jumping out of the water? And finally, guys, are the frogs croaking tonight? Shout outs to the time expressions that you need to observe. For example, now, at the moment. So you have present sentences, temporary actions, and time expressions such as now and at the moment. Alright guys, that's all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope it made sense. Like, subscribe, and make some comments. If you have any more questions, post them in the comment section and I will answer all of them gladly. Alright? Bye bye and see you another time.